Companies hiring remote developers jobs. Are you looking for a remote developer job? If so, there are many options available. You can find many companies hiring for remote positions in various fields. Some of these are scams, and some of them will pay you nothing. You should read reviews about these companies and avoid them. There are many benefits to working remotely, and you should be aware of these before you apply. Many companies will pay you more. Hello, and welcome to the Marketer DNA YouTube channel. Willie Desjarnet will navigate you through this video. First, he will discuss companies hiring remote developers jobs. Also, he will provide the link to the site at the bottom of the description.
Before we even get started, I would like you to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Also, let me show you this, guys. Before you go further, I have a lead system where you can acquire a lot of leads. You can triple your leads in a matter of no time. Look at the statistics right here. You can do this in no time. All you have to do is follow the link that I have below, tripleyouremaillist.com. Also, let me let you look at the my Gmail account. Look at all these leads coming in. They come in on a daily basis, and you could join this opportunity absolutely free. Just take a look at the link that I have below in the video. I'll see you inside.
What's going on, my friends? Tonight we're going to do something I say a little bit different, but it's pretty much the same thing that I've always done. We're talking about jobs that you can do remotely from your home. So what we're going to talk about tonight, we're going to talk about companies that hire remote developer jobs. And when you talk about developer jobs, those jobs are jobs that they actually probably, and as we go through this, they probably pay a bunch. So what we're going to do this research from right here in LinkedIn. So let's go ahead and get started. And this first job we're going to talk about is web strategy lead. So it's a developer job. Now, if you wanted this to alert you, you can do that, but this is just training purpose. So let's just go ahead and look at this. Right now, this job here pays, it was put there 5 days ago. It's $135,000 to $170,000 a year. So we're talking about very good jobs. And as we go through here and try to look through what they have, it's probably going to be something with some experience. For that kind of money, I'm just telling you, it's some experience. Let's say it says, let's talk about this. It says you have an edge if you, have experience in building web experience for technical end user, aka developer, communities in data or software engineering space. Not in my category. A data science curious and interest in exploring how tools like NLP can be deployed for quantitative research. Now look at the salary you're talking about. Talk about 135, 107 equity stakes. I may say it that wrong. Benefits, unlimited vacations, 401k. So it talks about having a good benefits that goes with it. Let me see what to expect in the hiring process. A phone call with a recruiter, an introduction phone call with our head acquaintance. After that, we ask you to complete projects that will take at least 1 or 2 hours. Panel interview and marketing community and front-end engineering team. Now there's more that you can come in and look and see what this is, but what we're going to do is when you get to LinkedIn, and this is what you're going to type in there. You're going to type in, make sure you're seeing this pretty quick. It is this will be the title: companies that hire remote developer jobs. So that's what you want to type in LinkedIn, and this is where you're going to see this actual job. I cannot speak tonight. Okay, let's go ahead and go to the next one. All right, whenever you see this little logo here saying USM, I'm a USM. I went to school, I didn't quite finish, had 1 more year. Anyway, we have 2 students at the school that actually work for this company. Okay, software engineering, front end, Angular. Okay, and let's see, it didn't really say what type of money that they have. Let's look at it. Anyway, it's in several different countries. So I thought I saw this. It says wanted to make sure we track this. It's across 30 different countries, this company. Okay, so let's go ahead and get a name of the company. Yeah, it's NBC Universal United States Remote. I always make sure I double check remote, because sometimes we do type some in, and even though we place remote inside that search query, it may pick up jobs that may not be remote. Okay, the responsibilities, let's talk about the responsibilities. Work in an agile software development team to complete backlog items, working in conjunction with other development with NBC Universe and engineers for external companies. So I don't know, I was trying to make sure I track what it could be about. Just thumbing through a lot of, this is kind of a job I'm not familiar with. I know it's this Comcast universe, but yeah, I don't want to go into this one a little bit too long. I'm not familiar with it, but I want you to go ahead and look at this. Let's look at this. Okay, let me see. Must be willing to work in Los Angeles. See, I didn't see that. I thought this was remote. Must be willing to submit background investigation. Must have an unrestricted work authority to work in the United States. Must be 18. Must be willing to provide support during a non-business. I thought this was a remote. That's what it says, remote, but you might have to call in. Some of those may not be what it is. So let's just, call in and check it out. Let's go to this next one. Full stack engineer. Don't see where, and it was placed an hour ago. So they're just getting started. Don't see any salary for these next two. Look like the company been around since 14. Underdog IO, I guess that's the site. It's our company looking for a full stack developer proficiency in Python, Java, CSS, and HTML. So that's some of those languages that you guys would have to know. I do understand CSS, a little bit of Java and HTML, but the Node.js and more. But anyway, come here and take a look at these jobs. Internet. So this is definitely going to be a remote job. So cool. It is definitely going to be a remote job. So now let's go to another company, and that company does the same thing, but it's a different, that job does the same thing with a different company. So we're looking at a digital product studio. Headway, a digital product studio. Let's take a look at, founded in 2015, and individual quarterly goals process, project status / team issue, weekly retro. Individual respond to our weekly team health questionnaire. So yeah, you want to come in and look at all of this. Look at this. Let's see. Why should you apply? Work exciting project of the latest tech across the various industries, including following health and fitness, financial technology, logistics and supply chain, social and communication, collaboration with colleagues and clients directly to ship features that use love. And it says work with appreciative clients seeking out and value your input and feedback, strong leadership and top-notch colleagues to help realize the full potential, career growth and leadership. So got 401k, look like it's a full-time job. So you want to come in and check this out. Let's go and probably do one more. One of the USM grads, okay? And this is a staff software engineer. Let's take a look at it. So the responsibility to design, to build, deploy, and manage secure systems in AWS cloud. Collaboration with other team members, including our product and API team, to help influence on and improve our current product offering. Lead strategic technical initiative that impacts the entire engineering operation. Rapid acquire new technical skills and knowledge in the fast-paced, high delivery environment. Really don't know what this job is about. Normally pays pretty good, 132,000 to 182,000. Yeah, this is unfamiliar territory for me, but I want you to look at it. Golly, don't know anything about this particular job, even though I'm reading it, haven't grasped what it does. Okay, it's here. almost $200,000 jobs. So you want to take a look at it. And most of these jobs are full stacker. Let's front end developer. Let's take a look at this one. That look like that could be the same job. Let's look at this one pretty quick. Might go ahead and call this a quit after this. This job here, front end developer, hiring event, all the way into April, man. All the way into April. And then the company is located in Canada, Europe, and USA. So go ahead and take a look at that. I want to go ahead and cut this. It was put out 3 weeks ago. It was over 200 applicants. So it must be a good paying job. So yeah, go ahead and take a look at this and see what these jobs are about. I wasn't as familiar with these jobs because basically these jobs that are here, they're high tech type jobs. So most of these jobs in your $100,000 a year. So just take a look at it. And it's for people who, like I said in the title of the page, you want to go in and check out these jobs. So guys, let me hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you guys the next time.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the training, but don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And leave some comments just to let me know what you thought of the video and what I could do better. Guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next training.